Passive income, seen as the pinnacle of financial independence, has become really popular. And there's a good reason for that. It sounds amazing. It sounds like a never-ending stream of money flowing into your bank account while you sleep and free yourself from the grind. Now, a lot of people are enticed by the promise of financial stability and a comfortable lifestyle, but we need to talk about the less glamorous side of passive income and the limitations and the complications that nobody talks about. Because while passive income can provide undeniable benefits and opportunities, you need to approach it with a realistic and informed perspective. By understanding and addressing these downsides, you can make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and set realistic expectations on your journey towards financial independence. I'm Lorianne, your favorite YouTube money coach, and today I'm talking about the truth of passive income, some of the truths that no one ever talks about. If you want more videos like this to help you build financial security and achieve all of your biggest money goals, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you want to learn how to make passive income work for you, you should check out our free masterclass where Britt and I break down the secrets of successful investors. I'll leave a link in the description. All right, let's start with what is passive income. Passive income refers to earnings that are created from sources that require minimal active involvement or minimal ongoing effort. It's generated through assets, investments, or business ventures that continue to generate returns or profits without needing your day-to-day participation. This is different from active income, which is income you earn through direct employment or direct activity. You put the time and effort in and money comes out on the other side. Whereas passive income streams can continue to generate income even after you're done putting in the effort. Passive income can be earned from a wide variety of sources like rental properties, dividends from stocks, interest from savings or bonds, royalties from intellectual property, or income from affiliate marketing or online businesses, and more. But the key is that passive income does not require consistent effort or time commitment once the initial setup or investment is in place. What no one tells you about passive income: 1, it requires an initial effort and often upfront costs. So while the term passive implies minimal effort, passive income does not mean no work or no initial effort. Establishing a passive income stream often requires significant upfront effort, time, or capital. Whether it's investing in rental properties, building an online business, or creating intellectual property, there's typically a substantial investment, either in terms of money invested or time in setting something up that happens upfront before you get anything passive of it. For example, if you invest in stocks, well, first you need to have saved up money to make your investment. So there's all the effort that went into generating that income in the first place. Then you're going to actually research and make your investment decisions and design your investment portfolio. That's going to take more time and more effort. Now, it's relatively low effort compared to some of the other options, like if you want to buy a rental property, that's going to require a pretty substantial upfront investment and a lot of time spent researching, finding the right deal, and managing the property. You'll need to explore different properties, possibly do renovations, work, and actually pay off the house. So it's not all that passive, especially in the beginning. Creating and establishing passive income streams requires upfront investment, research, planning, and ongoing monitoring to ensure that the income continues to flow and grow. Because thing number 2 people don't always talk about is that the income isn't always reliable. Passive income often involves relying on external factors that may be beyond your control. So for example, a rental property income can be affected by changes in the real estate market, changes with your tenants. Dividend income from stocks can fluctuate based on company performance and market-based decisions. Passive income streams are not immune to risk and market fluctuations, and these investments can experience downturns, economic uncertainties, or unexpected events that impact their profitability and how much money you actually make from your passive income investment. Depending solely on these external passive sources of income can leave people vulnerable to unforeseen circumstances. So staying informed and adaptable and actually spending time managing your passive assets is required. That's number 3 no one talks about. It can require maintenance and management, right? Imagine having a rental property or a business. It requires ongoing management and maintenance. It involves dealing with tenants, handling repairs, or if you're growing your business, continuing to market it, replacing people on the team. these responsibilities come with the nature of that passive income that, and once it's set up, you still need to pay attention to it and make sure that it continues to produce that income. Right? I made a video all about things I didn't realize were going to come with being a landlord. And it's like, if a tenant calls you at 9 p.m. on a Friday to let you know that there's a pipe burst and leaking, you've got to be the one to figure out how to fix that. Or you got to hire a property manager, and that eats into your passive income investment returns. The next thing that people don't talk about is how much time, patience, and effort it can take to become profitable. If you heard the phrase, if it was easy, everyone would do it, that is the truth when it comes to passive income. It often takes a lot of time and persistence to get the asset to the level that you want. It may take years to save up enough money to invest in the stock market that then produces a level of return where that income could sustain your lifestyle. Or it can take a long time to figure out a business that is going to be passive and low effort for you, but in the beginning, it's a lot of effort to get it to be something that is generating reliable income. That's part of why we always say you want to invest for the long term. When you're investing in stocks, you should be prepared to let that money sit for at least 5 years. If you want passive income, it's really important that you don't think about it like a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about creating financial stability that can sustain you in the long run. And unfortunately, there are a lot of really savvy marketers out there that are happy to get rich off of your desire to get rich quick, promising unrealistic passive income results in a very short amount of time. If opportunities like that were really available, people wouldn't be talking about them. They would just be milking them for all the passive dollars that they're worth and keeping them for themselves. The good news is that if you find a good opportunity and you stick with it, you should see big results in the end. Just don't expect it to happen overnight. All right, final thoughts. Don't misunderstand me. I'm not trying to discourage you from building passive income. Passive income is awesome, and it's important to create financial stability and freedom and open the door to a more flexible lifestyle. But it's important to build that with your eyes wide open, because not all passive income ventures are risk-free or guaranteed to be successful. Each income stream carries its own level of risk, requires you do your due diligence, and may involve varying degrees of ongoing management or maintenance. Now, despite those challenges, passive income still offers substantial benefits and financial freedom when approached with realistic expectations, diligent management, and by building a diversified portfolio. So simply take this as a loving warning. If you want to learn about how to build financial security, check out our free masterclass where I walk you through the secrets of successful investors so that you can start building passive income through investing. I will leave a link in the description. And best of luck on your passive income journey.